You must add this skill to your resume from now to get into any job. Recently, Microsoft and LinkedIn combined has released a report called Work Trend Index Annual Report 2024, which is also titled as AI at Work is Here, and it has some mouth-watering facts. Companies are not looking to hire people without basic AI skills. Survey was based on 31,000 people across 31 countries, and many of the knowledge workers or technical people have participated in this survey. And the facts are really shocking because most of the employees, nearly 75% of the people who participated in the survey, feel like AI is helping them to reduce the time that they spend on work, improving their productivity, and a lot more. And even 79% of the employers feel like AI adoption is critical to remain competitive. So these are some of the facts that are released in this report, and you need to be a prompt engineer, at least like someone who can use basic AI skills, so that you will get a job from now. Whatever the role it might be you're into software development, it might be you're into marketing, you're into writing. Take any other role. If you can incorporate AI into your role, then ultimately the chances of you getting more opportunities will eventually increase, and that is the reality and revealed from this report. In order to perform this research, LinkedIn also used the hiring trends on their platform, because LinkedIn is also a job platform. Companies post job listings, and people apply for jobs. So according to that data, it is also clear that many companies have started adding ChatGPT or any other AI tool into their job description, because companies are now expecting applicants to have minimum knowledge of AI tools. And also LinkedIn revealed that many of the people have added ChatGPT or AI tools to their skill section in their profiles, which is also a positive sign. If you're not following this trend, if you're not actively looking into AI tools, then ultimately you are going backwards. This is true, my friend. You should know how to use AI tools properly, because like personally I feel like I have saved a lot of time using tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, because like the work which should have been done in 6 hours or 7 hours, I have reduced it to nearly 1 hour or even half an hour, because of AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, because of incorporating them into my daily routine. It might be content creation, it might be my office work, it might be freelancing work. I'm saving a lot of time. I also started earning money more efficiently using these tools. The people that I have interacted with so far, they also feel the same. So it's not really a difficult thing to know how to use tools like ChatGPT. All you have to do is like you just need to spend some time. If you want more resources on how to become efficient at prompt engineering, I have my book. You'll also find that in the description. I have also a course on prompt engineering, which you can enroll, and you can learn all the basics of prompt engineering, or how to use ChatGPT and AI, other AI tools. You can do that as well. Still, ChatGPT is free. Most of the features you can access it for free. Bard is free, Gemini is free. You have all the free tools available, so all you have to do is like use all those tools for your work. See, the problem is like most of them are not aware that ChatGPT or any other AI tool will help them in their work, because they haven't tried really. If you can try them and ask some challenging questions related to your work, then only like you will get the real value of AI tools. Make sure you add AI skills to your resume from now, because companies are expecting a minimum AI skills from an applicant. This might become mandatory for all the jobs that you will see from now. So it's always good to stay updated and relevant in whatever the technology is trending. I hope you find this video helpful. Please find all the links that I have mentioned in the description. If you feel anyone else would benefit from knowing this information, please make sure you share this video with them. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.